World's largest cancer research conference kicks off today, ASCO, and of course this year it is virtual. We're joined by Bristol Myers Squibb CEO Dr. Giovanni Caforio. Giovanni, thank you for being with us. You know, it's a really different format for the meeting this year, all of the information just being posted online. Help us sort through, from your perspective, what is the most important update from Bristol Myers at this meeting?
Meg, thanks for having me. It is an important ASCO. It's my 15th ASCO. And as you can imagine, it's the first time we have a virtual meeting. Let me just start by saying it's really important to have this meeting because we know that the oncology community has been impacted very significantly by the COVID pandemic. We know that over 50% of patients have challenges accessing healthcare today. And so bringing together scientists and researchers to continue to advance the science that patients need at this time is really important. For us, it's an important ASCO. It's the first ASCO as a new company, and we are showing the breadth and depth of our pipeline. We're presenting a lot of really exciting data in immuno-oncology, and specifically with Opdivo and Yervoy in lung cancer, cell therapy, an area where we are planning on being the leader. We have really important data presentations there, and then a lot about the future of our pipeline and early releases for potential new medicines.
Well, I want to ask you about the lung cancer space because just a few days ago, the FDA approved your drug Opdivo with your other drug Yervoy in combination with limited chemotherapy in a certain setting for non-small cell lung cancer. How would you say that approval and the data supporting it position you in the race, particularly against Merck's Keytruda?
Well, Meg, first of all, what's important to remember is that patients with lung cancer need new treatment options. There is still an unmet need in a competitive space, but physicians are looking for new options and patients need new treatment options. I'm really pleased with the fact that we've received 2 approvals in less than 2 weeks for Opdivo and Yervoy. Remember that this combination has already shown the ability to prolong survival in 4 tumor types, and now in first-line lung cancer. We're going to present the data at ASCO, and the issue here is really the opportunity to provide long-term survival to patients. What we are hearing is that there are many patients that want a chemotherapy-free option, which is now possible, and also the opportunity of limited cycles of chemotherapy. So I think we have an important role to play in lung cancer.
See you. I want to talk about Eliquis. I know this is a cancer oncology conference, but I look at this drug Eliquis, and I remember a few years ago when my father was dying, the doctor said, look, we have this new drug Eliquis, and it is so much better than warfarin. It's so much better than Xarelto. We think it could give your father a few more years. And I keep seeing it. I never hear about it. I never hear about how important this drug is. Could you have 100% of this market at one point?
Jimmy, it's one of our most important medicines, and we are already the leader globally in terms of new anticoagulants, and there is significant opportunity to continue to grow. There are some patients that are still receiving warfarin, and we are seeing the adoption of Eliquis continue to grow there. Importantly, there are many patients that are not being treated yet, and then there are patients that are not even yet diagnosed with atrial fibrillation. So there is significant opportunity to continue to grow Eliquis. It's already the leading medicine in the world in its field.